What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to do a gaming review of Nokia 7.2 a smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. Nokia 7.2 comes with a Snapdragon 660 processor, Adreno 512 GPU, 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, Android 9 OS along with 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen. Along with the gaming performance, we will also monitor the battery performance of the device and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So right now the battery percentage is 45 and the temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. So let's play these games and let's see how good is the gaming performance of Nokia 7.2. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So the volume is full. So the graphics quality is so nice, no frame drops, everything is super smooth.
Here's a taste of girl power.
So no frame drops, no lagging, and the graphics quality is good and everything was smooth. So let's go back from here and let's play Cover Fire. It's one of the most high-end heavy graphics game and it runs at 60 FPS. So here in the graphics setting of Cover Fire, you can see that we have selected high graphics quality and 60 FPS. And now let's play the game a bit. So once again, the graphics quality is so good, and as you can see, no lagging or frame drop is happening. It's pretty smooth. Even while I'm changing the camera angles, you can see nothing wrong is happening. It's quite smooth. So let's go back from here and let's play Injustice 2 again. And you can see that the game is exactly where I left. So I was playing Injustice 2, I started playing Cover Fire without closing it properly, and when I came back from Cover Fire to Injustice 2, it's exactly where I left. So the memory management looks quite good and you can play two high-end heavy graphics game side by side. Let's go back to Cover Fire and let's see whether we are going to get it back or it's force closed. So this one is at the same place as well. I can just start playing it right from here. So let's close both of them and let's play Call of Duty. So here in the game setting of Call of Duty, you can see by default the low graphics quality and medium frame rate is selected. So I'm going to increase it to the medium and frame rate to the high, and let's see how good it's going to be. If we face any issue, I will revert back to the previous setting. So you can see that the graphics quality is good and no frame drops or lagging is happening. So everything is nice and smooth. And there is no frame drops or lagging. And here I go. So you can see that the graphics quality is nice, and even though we have changed the FPS and the graphics quality, there is no frame drops or lagging is happening. Everything is super smooth. So it's a good thing about Nokia 7.2. While playing Call of Duty, we are not facing any issue except that I'm getting killed. So it's pretty good here as well. And now let's play ShadowGun Legends. So here in the graphics setting of ShadowGun Legends, the graphics quality and FPS both are selected as auto by default. So I'm going to increase it to ultra high as graphics quality and FPS as 60. And now let's go back and play the game a bit.
Let's rock.
So a bit lag is happening. It's looking now smooth a bit. But let's have a look on the graphics quality. So here you can see, if you have a look on these leaves of the plant, you can see how nice is the 3D graphics rendering and the shadowing. Also, if you have a look on the ground, you can see that great amount of detail is coming on the graphics quality. If you have a look on the floor, the cracks and everything, it's so good. So let's play the game and let's see whether we are going to face the lagging again or not. Yes, it's lagging, as you can see. But the graphics quality is so good. So it's lagging a lot and here I am dead. Let's go and change the graphics quality from ultra high to auto. Let's keep the 60 FPS and let's play the game again.
Here I come.
So now it's very smooth, super smooth, because we have selected the auto graphics quality at 60 FPS. So the graphics quality is still good, but the frame rate is super smooth now. It's much better. And the graphics quality is still good on auto as well, since the game and the Nokia 6.2 is optimizing the graphics quality according to the hardware specs pretty well here. You can see how much detail we are getting on this character when it came close. And the good part is that this device is not getting so warm, because ShadowGun Legends have a bad reputation of warming up the device a lot, but while I'm playing this game right now, I'm not feeling that much heating issue or anything while holding the device in my hand. So let's go back from here. As you can see, the graphics quality was pretty good and FPS was nice as well once we started playing graphics on auto. And here we can see that the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius right now, and the battery percentage is moved to 37 degree, and the battery percentage is moved to 37. But the good part is the device is not so hot, even though it is showing that the battery temperature moved from 26 to 14 degree increase. It does not feel so hot and warm. Obviously this part is a bit warm for sure, but not so hot. So it seems the glass back panel, the matte finish glass back panel, is somehow managing the heat as well, even though inside maybe it's 40 degree, but right now while holding the device it doesn't feel like 40 degrees Celsius for sure. So let's close this game, and now let's play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics quality of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default balanced graphics quality and medium frame rate is selected. So I can go to HD, but HDR is not available, so I will use the HD graphics quality and high FPS. And now let's play the game. So we are getting great amount of detail here. If you have a look on the character's costume, you can see how nice it is. Lots of detail. If you have a look on the plant, also on the ground, the shadowing is pretty good here. It's not as great as few other high-end smartphones, but considering the hardware aspects of the device, it's looking really nice. So once again you can see that how much detail we are getting in the graphics quality. Everything is so nice. And now let's play the game a bit. So if I'm changing the camera angles, you can see it's pretty smooth, no frame drops or lagging is happening. And as we have seen, the graphics quality is nice for sure, especially if you have a look on the ground. So you can see like everything is pretty smooth here. No frame drops or lagging is happening. As you can see, it's quite smooth. And while changing the camera angles so quickly, it's so nice. The 3D graphics rendering is so good. So if you are a gamer You will be happy with the performance of Nokia 7.2. As you can see that considering the hardware specs of the device and in the price segment it is launched, the performance is pretty nice. Only while playing ShadowGun Legends we felt a bit of lagging and frame drops because we were playing the game on the highest possible graphics setting. And obviously it is suitable only for the most high-end smartphones, not for a mid-range like Nokia 7.2, but in rest of the game the performance was quite good. And as you can see right now, PUBG Mobile is also one of the most high-end heavy graphics game and the performance is quite smooth here as well. And now if you go back from here and let's have a look on the battery status. So the temperature is 39 degrees Celsius, not much difference from the ShadowGun Legends. At that time it was 40 degrees Celsius and the battery percentage is 35. So after playing all of these high-end heavy graphics game for like 33 minutes or 32 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 45 to 35. So 10% reduction after playing all of these games. So the battery performance seems quite good as well, and as we have seen the memory management is nice also. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.